You are studying for SAT, putting in the hours, trying everything they tell you. Read more, practice makes perfect, just do more problems. You hear it from teachers, tutors, friends. It sounds logical and helpful. But deep down, you might feel like it's not working for you. You're still hitting that plateau. You're still making those frustrating mistakes. What if some of the most common, seemingly harmless SAT advice you always hear is actually completely useless? And worse, what if it's preventing you from your goals? So this isn't about blaming anyone. This is about challenging the status quo, the conventional wisdom that holds so many students back. Today we are revealing the most useless SAT advice you'll always hear. So in this video you'll learn why some common SAT advice is not just unhelpful but actively counterproductive, the real reasons behind your plateau or frustrating mistakes, and powerful actionable strategies to replace that useless advice, leading you to higher scores and genuine mastery. So this is your wake up call, and it's time to study smarter and not harder. You have heard it a million times. Just study harder. Read more books. Do all the practice problems. This advice, while well intentioned, often fails for critical reasons. It lacks specificity. Study harder means nothing if you don't know what to study or how to study effectively. It ignores underlying issues. You might have a cognitive stamina problem, a confirmation bias issue, or struggle with rhetorical synthesis, none of which are solved just by doing more problems. It leads to burnout. Endless, undirected effort without seeing results quickly leads to exhaustion and demoralization. The truth is, blindly following generic advice prevents you from identifying the real problems in your prep. So, let's expose some of the most common yet utterly useless pieces of SAT advice. Number one, just read more SAT passages. That's useless. And why? Because as we discussed in the best way to study for SAT reading section is to stop reading SAT passages. This focuses on format over genuine comprehension. It doesn't build deep reading stamina, nuanced vocabulary, or critical thinking in diverse contexts. So, what to do? Read complex, high quality material outside of test prep books to build a powerful reading brain. Useless advice number two, just memorize all the formulas. And why it's useless? Because the digital SAT math section is less about rote memorization and more about problem decomposition and logical interpretation. As we covered in the SAT math section, isn't a math test, it's a reading test. You need to translate dense text into equations. So, what to do instead? Focus on first principles thinking to understand why formulas work and how to apply them to novel problems and not just plug and chug. Useless advice number three, just keep practicing until you get it. And why it's useless? Because blind repetition without analysis is unproductive. You are simply reinforcing bad habits. So, what to do? Embrace productive failure. Treat every mistake as a valuable data point. Keep a mistake journal to diagnose why you got it wrong and create a precise action plan to fix it. This is how you learn from errors. Number four, try to multitask to save time. Why it's useless? Your brain is not a multitasker. As we established in the video, nobody is multitasking, is actually rapid task switching, which kills productivity, increases errors, and erodes deep focus. So, what to do? Practice single tasking. Create a distraction free study environment and use techniques like the Pomodoro method to build true cognitive stamina. Number five, get faster at everything. So, speed without accuracy is useless. Rushing leads to careless errors. So, what to do? Prioritize precision. For digital SAT, focus on accuracy in Module 1 to unlock a higher score. Understand when to use tools strategically, tools like Desmos Calculator. So, the difference between simply studying and truly mastering SAT lies in adopting a strategic mindset that moves beyond these useless pieces of advice. Top scorers don't just work harder, they work smarter, targeting the test design and their own cognitive processes. This involves deep error analysis beyond careless. Truly diagnosing why you're getting questions wrong. Is it content, strategy, interpretation, or a cognitive bias? So, thinking like a test maker, understanding how questions are designed, what concepts they test, and where these traps are hidden. Then, building cognitive stamina. So, training your brain for sustained focus and mental endurance for the full test duration. Strategic resource allocation. Understanding the Pareto principle that we already discussed, 80-20 rule, to focus on the high impact material and skill sets that yield the most points. Cultivating intellectual humility. Being comfortable admitting that I don't know and actively seeking help to fill knowledge gaps. These are the real game changers and not the generic advice that you often hear. So it's time to reclaim your SAT prep from useless advice. Audit your current habits. Honestly assess if you're falling into any of these traps. Are you just doing more or are you doing it smarter? Implement new strategies. Choose one new strategy, like, for example, keeping a mistake journal, practicing question first, reading or analyzing the why of wrong answers, and then commit to it. Seek expert guidance. A tutor or counselor who understands these deeper strategies can be invaluable. They can diagnose your specific pitfalls and guide you through implementing effective techniques. So, for this, Wisdomy's personalized online tutoring is designed precisely to counter these useless pieces of advice. Our expert tutors guide students beyond generic prep, focusing on deep conceptual understanding and process based learning, strategic test taking methods that account for the digital SAT's design and common traps, building cognitive stamina and focus, personalized error analysis to turn every mistake into a victory. So, for this, Wisdomy helps you implement a truly effective study plan, and you can explore its impact by booking a free trial class. For this, the link is right there in the description below. So, don't let useless SAT advice hold you back from your dream score. By recognizing the traps of generic prep, by understanding the true nature of digital SAT, and by adopting smarter, more strategic study habits, you transform your entire preparation journey. So it's time to move beyond simply studying harder. It's time to study smarter, work more efficiently, and achieve the excellence that you deserve. So stop wasted prep. Book a free consultation with Wisdomy's SAD experts today. We help you avoid common pitfalls, master strategic test taking, and achieve your top scores. So visit wisdomy.com to book your free consultation now. Your pathway to effective preparation awaits.